welcome back to Kavitha's Sugar and Spice. Today I am going to show you two recipes, iced coffee and cold coffee, which will be great for this hot summer. In order to make cold coffee and iced coffee, let's start making our decoction first. So basically we are going to use the same decoction for both. First I am going to add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. Pour half a cup of boiling water, mix it well. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Add it to the decoction and mix it again. Now what I am going to do is I am going to transfer half of this mixture, which is around 1/4 cup, into a separate cup. Remember, this is the decoction for our cold coffee, which we will transfer into a cold resistant cup and keep it in the fridge for a few hours or until it's nice and cold. Now let's finish our iced coffee preparation. Let's add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it well, and then we are going to transfer this decoction into an ice tray and freeze it. Now this is ready. Let me place it in the freezer for a few hours. It's been few hours now, so let's start preparing our cold coffee. Our decoction is nice and cold. I'm going to pour 1 cup of milk into this blender. It's chilled milk. Let's add all our decoction, which is 1/4 cup. I'm going to add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and we can add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Remember, in this decoction, cold coffee decoction, we did not add any sugar earlier, so you can add it according to your taste. Add 2 ice cubes, which is totally optional, and blend it well. This is how it looks after blending. Keep it aside for 5 minutes and you will get a nice and thick foam like this. Now let's transfer this into a glass. Pour it gently. Fill the cup around 3/4 full. Then you can scoop and put the foam on the top, which is totally optional. Otherwise you can fill the entire cup with your cold coffee. But you know what, when you're serving this to your guests, they would love this foam and some whipped cream on top. It'll have a nice different look. Now our cold coffee is ready. I'll do the final touches like adding whipped cream and everything later. Now let's prepare our iced coffee. Our coffee decoction is nice and frozen. I'm going to transfer this into a cup. We have our coffee cubes ready in the cup. We can add more ice, which is totally optional. I'm going to add 2 ice cubes here. Next we'll add 1 cup of chilled milk. We don't have to add any sugar. Remember, we mixed it in the coffee decoction, so it'll dissolve slowly. If you prepare these ice cubes and keep it in the freezer, you know what, this will be a great help for you when you're coming home from a hot sun, or if you have some unexpected guests. This will be a nice drink to serve. You can serve it with or without a straw. Now we have both our drinks ready here. I've added some whipped cream and chocolate syrup on top of our cold coffee. Try these drinks on a hot day and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful summer. Bye bye.